Today I want to share with you one of my absolute favorites hiking and sunset lookout spot in Southern California, the Topanga Lookout. Stand above Red Rock Canyon Park and offer the best view of Santa Monica Mountain, Calabasas, and the Santa Susana Mountains. This hike to Topanga Lookout is about 2 miles round trip and is 3 miles to the Pacific Ocean. If you look down, one of the distinct features of this lookout is covered by the tasty graffiti, and it's one of my secret filming spots in Los Angeles. And the best time to go is the sunset. You see the sunset on Pacific Ocean, Malibu, and the whole sky just turned red. Just take a moment, look around, and enjoy this epic 360 degrees aerial sunset view. Thank you for enjoying this special journey with me. If you want to watch more 360 VR travel vlog and 360 aerial drone video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.